Today, we're speaking about a topic that's crucial for anyone working with digital content, especially if you're looking to resell or repurpose that content. Understanding the different types of PLR licenses is not just a matter of legality. It's about maximizing your use of purchased content while respecting creators' rights and restrictions. Let's break down the common types of licenses you'll encounter in the world of digital products: PLR, PLR, MRR, RR, and PUR, and discuss their benefits, restrictions, and why it's so important to follow them. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. PLR private label rights. When you acquire PLR content, you're essentially getting the rights to modify, brand, and sell the content as if it were your own. This is incredibly powerful because it allows you to take pre-created content, tweak it to your liking or audience's needs, and sell it under your own brand. However, the freedom comes with a need to pay close attention to the specific terms of the license. Some PLR licenses restrict you from giving away the content for free or selling it on certain platforms like Amazon. Always make sure to read the specifics of your PLR license to avoid any legal issues and to use the content effectively. UPLR unrestricted private label rights. UPLR takes the flexibility of PLR a step further by lifting most of the standard restrictions you might find in a typical PLR license. This means you can often resell the same rights to others, allowing your customers to also modify and resell the content. Creators can place restrictions on how low you can sell the product or combining it with certain other products. However, with UPLR, no such restrictions apply. UPLR is exactly what it sounds like, and if you can get your hands on them, they are worth their weight in gold. It's crucial to read the license agreement thoroughly to understand what you can and cannot do. MRR, Master Resell Rights. MRR allows you not only to sell the product, but also to pass on the resell rights to your buyers. You can sell the resale right, but not the PLR rights. This adds value to your offering, as your buyers can resell the product under the same MRR terms. Typically, you cannot alter MRR content, which means you need to sell it as is. The benefit here is the enhanced resale potential, but the drawback is reduced creative control. Always check what additional stipulations come with your MRR license to make the most out of it and stay compliant. RR, resale rights. RR is simpler than MRR as it allows you to resell the product, but not the resale rights. You can market the product to others, but your customers won't have the permission to resell it themselves. RR is great if you want to add products to your lineup without the hassle of creating them from scratch. However, like MRR, you typically can't modify the content or claim authorship. Understanding the boundaries of RR will help you use it effectively without breaching the terms. PUR personal use rights. With PUR, the content you purchase is only for your use. You can learn from it or use it internally, but you can't resell or distribute it in any form. This is the most restrictive type of license, but also the most straightforward. PUR is perfect for content meant to enhance your knowledge or add to your private resources. Since there's no resale option, it's entirely about personal benefit. Following these licenses correctly is essential, not only for legal reasons, but also for maintaining good relationships within the digital content community. Ignoring the terms can lead to disputes, legal trouble, and damage to your reputation. Respecting these licenses helps ensure that creators are compensated for their work, encouraging a healthy ecosystem where both creators and marketers can thrive. It also keeps you as a creator or reseller on the right side of the law and maintains your professional integrity. Moreover, adhering to license terms allows you to leverage the content most effectively. Each type of license serves different business needs, and understanding them can help you choose the right type of content to meet your goals. Whether you're looking to expand your product offerings quickly with PLR or UPLR, seeking straightforward resale opportunities with MRR and RR, or enhancing your own knowledge with PUR, respecting the licenses ensures you can do so effectively and legally. Always take the time to read and understand the license terms for any digital content you purchase. This not only prevents legal issues, but also ensures that you use the content in the most productive way possible. And remember, if you're ever in doubt about what your license allows, it's better to ask the creator or seek advice from other knowledgeable creators rather than risking a misstep. It's probably not worth seeking legal advice, as this is expensive, and it's probably not worth your time and the expense. The reason I say this is because pretty much all PLR licenses are fairly easy to understand and not full of legal jargon meant to confuse. They're created to be easy to understand at a glance, so everyone can take on board what they are meant to do. That being said, the reason I'm creating this video is because there is still some confusion about the different licenses, and I'm just trying to make it easier for you. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.